I am Dr. Lori Wenzel, and I am in Venice, Italy, and we are staying at the Colombina Hotel, and it has a roof top deck, and we are standing on it, and we get this panoramic view of the city. So if you come to Venice, do your research and come and stay in this wonderful hotel where you have the beautiful rooftop view of the city. You can see St. Mark's Basilica and the domes, and you can hear the bells in the morning, and you have this magnificent view. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and see where my husband and I are headed to next.